Hey everyone, picked up a new project today. Thought I'd show you the 58 Ford F100 short bed step side. I will be keeping the patina outside. Inside will be restored to factory. I think I'm going to keep this aqua teal color inside. She's in pretty good shape. She's got a few little spots that need some help, but not bad. Came with a 289. Not sure I'm going to use that yet. Going to put a new wooden bed. She's going to get lowered. Not slammed, but lowered. Not sure what to do with that yet. I'll figure something out. Love these little key locks on here. More videos coming soon. Lots of them.